show you how to do an off-hire in Cloud Rent. So Jupiter's Casino have called us up and said they no longer need the equipment. So we'll do a search for their business. And we can search for contract number or name. So we go into the off-hire section. And now we simply off-hire the job. The items haven't been returned, and we're going to go and pick that piece of equipment up, say tomorrow. So now I'll change the collection date to tomorrow. Next thing I'm going to do is go through it and create the invoice. So I'm going into the job, go to the financials, and now we do the off-hire full invoice. And we have an invoice for the 11 days from the 1st of April, which is the off-hire period. We can then send that invoice to the customer. There's the invoice. Now I'm going to go through to the logistics. So we can see that there's the delivery. We've assigned it to a vehicle. We can assign it to a staff member, and then we can go through and map that to Google and send that through to the phone of our driver to go and pick that equipment up. Or we can email him the delivery report as well. So it's just going to give him where he's going, who he's going to see, and any details that you put into that job. So that's how you do an off-hire in Cloud Rent. Thank you for watching.